Good morning. It's looking so much better out there this morning as far as visibility is concerned. No snow coming down. We've got clearing conditions and quieter weather. Now, the problem is that it's much colder than it was yesterday. We're talking very low temperatures and there's still a little wind. So wind chill is going to be a factor for us today too. So if you run into trouble, there's still some big drifts out there, roads that still need to be cleared. If you run into trouble, you're going to get stuck out in that kind of weather. So something to keep in mind if you're thinking about heading out here this morning. So let's take a look at some of the photos that we've gotten from you guys. You've really found some humor in this heavy snowfall and in just the recent wintry weather we've had. This was from Beverly. She's advertising for some free snow there. I love that. And you can come and shovel all you want. And in this photo, I love the bright colors here in the night, as well as the, of course, a festive atmosphere in this photo. Margaritaville in northern Minnesota. Thanks, Shirley. That's from Clearbrook again. So having a little fun with the snow. We'll show more photos throughout the morning and some of our snowfall reports too. Fargo, we ranged anywhere from about 5 to 12 inches of snow from different reports in the valley or in the Fargo-Moorhead metro area. Ada had about 11 inches of snow there. Foston 6.5. Reports of as much as 12 inches of snow in Twin Valley, and in Hendrum 9.5, and Lisbon a little over 6 inches of snow for you with this system. So a lot of heavier snowfall reports. A wind chill warning now replaces all of that. So we're looking at some wind chills that are frigid and downright dangerous for us in the valley. We've got wind chills down to the 50s below again. 50 below in Devil's Lake, 54 below in Langdon. It's 42 below in Grand Forks and 37 below in Fargo. So if you need to head out and shovel or snow blow, bundle up and take breaks too. It's just pretty cold. You'll need to warm up in between. And our temperatures themselves are low in the teens and 20s below. The wind is not as strong. We're still getting some wind speeds into the teens though, a gust to 17 miles per hour in Wadena. So you'll feel a little bit of that breeze and visibility better, but there are still some places with a little lower visibility to start off today. Our radar and satellite map looking nice and quiet. Love to see this. It's looking good here, not only for us in the Red River Valley, but through the tri-state area if you need to travel today. Of course, keep in mind, highways and interstates, sections of them are closed. You can check on the latest road conditions by heading to valleynewslive.com and head to our weather page. So checking out your hour-by-hour planner, we're going to see those temperatures the worst and the wind chills that are the worst in the morning hours. We'll see those wind chills remaining in the 40s to about 50 below. Heading into the noon hour, we improve a little bit, but it will still be frigid. We'll have temperatures that only reach highs in the single digits to some teens below zero and wind chills that stay in that range of 20 to 30, even 40 below through the day today. Heading into tonight, more cold air. We'll continue to watch those temperatures well below zero. In fact, they drop again once the sun sets into some teens and 20s below. Wind chills back down into the 30s to 40s below. And by Saturday morning, some clouds do move in. We'll see a chance for a few snow showers on Saturday. Notice how isolated they are. It'll just be some flakes flying around. We're not talking a big winter weather event here for the day, but you'll want to watch out for that if you're going to be traveling. And heading into the afternoon, some of us climb above zero. This is better than what we're dealing with today, about 5 to 10 degrees warmer, but still cold here in the valley. We're running a good 20 degrees below average for our highs. Now heading into Saturday evening, still looking pretty quiet. Here's that photo of that big snowdrift in front of Samantha's house there. A lot of folks were snowed in and maybe are still trying to dig out. And our 7-day planner, we'll see some quieter weather this weekend, just a few snow showers tomorrow. And then unfortunately, there's another big storm system looming for Monday and Tuesday. Wind and snow with this one. The big question is where will it track? So you'll want to stick around and check back with us here on this forecast coming up for the start of next week.
Looks good. Thank you, Lisa. They are hard